Hello, friend. We are here today to chat about the channel 5710, that channel of perfected form. It's part of the integration channel, and integration is really what allowed us to stand upright and become present in these forms. Integration brings into the 57, 34, 10, and 20. I'm not going to chat a whole bunch about integration today, but I want to give you the understanding of the 5710, the perfected form. Again, what's the 57? The 57 is all about intuitive clarity. Intuitive clarity. This whole center here is an awareness center. The spleen, the instinctive knowing, this is an awareness center. Yes, there's fears here, and you'll see my course linked below. There are fears here. However, on the other side of fear, there's always awareness. So this clarity comes up into the identity for this perfected form, this ability to love self. These beings are really, truly meant to bring beauty into our world. And whatever perfected form needs for you, it's not going to mean the same for that person or that person or that person that hasn't. It's always going to be different. Perfected form isn't a, here it is, this is how it works, blah, blah, blah. None of this is. This is all about, what environment are you in? What are the experiences that you're having? It's going to all shape and mold and mesh. That's why human design is so unique. Is one person with the exact same activations, channels, can have an absolutely completely different life, and they might be your next door neighbor. So the perfected form is actually the most creative that is in the integration system, and that creativity is really that art of survival. Like, how do I survive? Selfish. This is selfishness, people. It's about being selfish. I know lots of people get pissed off when they hear that word. If you're not selfish, you're degrading your physicality. You are the microcosm of the macrocosm. You're creating the illusion. Do it selfishly. Do it through your signature. So do it through satisfaction for myself. Do it through peace. Do it through, surprise and awe. Do it through success. What happens is we get pissed off and angry when people call us selfish or, narcissistic behavior. There's a whole psychology piece around that, but we are actually built to be selfish. I am doing some real intensely deep study of all of this information. And I'm going to do a video about the program. And it's probably going to kind of rock you a little bit. But understand that perfected form looks different for everyone. It really is that art of survival. We are built to survive. We are built to be here, to be selfish, so that we can perfect our form. And what is this behavior all about? This is the love of self. Can we love ourselves in the form that we were asked to jump into? So your frequency jumped into your meat suit. Can you love that? Can you love that? Can you be selfish enough to say, fucking rights, I love that? And be absolutely artful in the way you survive. I don't have this. But what I am learning from those that do is the behaviors that those are going to work for me. I get to respond. Or behaviors that aren't going to work for me, and I respond to that. So it's about watching how my physical body responds to that wisdom. Someone else is living this, and then I get to respond to it. So trust who you are, love who you are, be selfish in who you are. I'm not saying step on anybody's toes or anybody's head or, put anybody else down to love yourself and to be selfish. That's not what I'm saying. But there's always that old saying, put the oxygen mask on yourself first. Why is that? So that you get to survive in your artful way and then love yourself for doing so. Thank you, friend. I hope you have an excellent day.